This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Place your AirTag face down on a clean, flat surface and keep the back cover nearby. Use 2 thumbs to press and rotate the stainless steel back counterclockwise until it stops. Lift the back cover away from the white plastic the same way that Apple shows in instructions. Then remove the CR2032 3V battery by prying gently with a thumbnail. Inspect the battery for dents or corrosion and replace the battery if you see physical damage. Set the CR2032 3V battery back into the AirTag with the positive side facing up. Press firmly on the battery until you hear a short chime and then release. Repeat pressing down and releasing the battery 4 more times for a total of 5 presses. After the 5th press, you should hear a different descending chime that confirms the AirTag has been reset. If you do not hear the final chime, remove and replace the battery and repeat this sequence. After the reset chime, press the stainless steel back onto the AirTag and rotate clockwise until it locks. Hold the AirTag within 1.5 inches of your iPhone to begin the pairing handshake. Unlock your iPhone and open the Find My app, then tap Add Item and follow the on-screen prompts to name the AirTag. Once paired, tap Play Sound in Find My to confirm the AirTag responds and appears as connected with battery status shown. Rename or assign it to an item to finish setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.